Hey there, it's Justin from the Book Like a Boss team, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create sessions. So let's go to Booking Pages from the top menu, then select Products and Services. Click on Add New Service. So the first thing you want to do is to select a package type, and you want to make sure you create a session pack. As usual, as your title, let's call this Private Session, and then add your description. Then down here, you can add your price, select your payment option, then the minimum number of sessions and the maximum number of sessions. So for this example, we'll do a minimum and a maximum of 3. Then for the duration, let's say an hour, add an interval of 30 minutes, then click Save. Now here on the General Settings page, you can basically customize everything like every other product or service, except here at the bottom, you have this checkbox option that says customer must book all sessions at time of booking. It is very important that the customer must book all sessions at the time of booking, so make sure to check this box. Make sure that you save all the changes you've made, and that's how these sessions work.